Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka Kalne and today's date is 19 July 2021 and today's video topic is string buffer and string builder class in Java. So in string there are three classes three ways to create a string. That is, first is the string that we have already seen, and second one is the string buffer class, third one is the string builder class. First, in short, we'll see what is the string class. So, string is a sequence of characters and it is also a non-primitive data type. Now, our string class is present in the java.lang package, and this is a predefined class. It is used to create the immutable object. It means our string is also an object, but it is an immutable object. Immutable means we know that actually immutable means once we define, we can't change the object, or we can't also change the length. Okay, means in string our length is fixed. If we define the string once, we can't change the length. Okay, our length will not change. Next point is, if we use this string object, means if we, then our string objects will be immutable. There are two ways to create the objects. First way is using the new keyword, and second one is the without using new keyword. So first way, if we use the new keyword, then there will be created two objects. First, now for example, string s equals to the new string and bracket the string array name. That is, if we create the string array, for example character array c equals to the in curly bracket a b c d e. By defining this, our string array will be created, and if we want to create the object, then string s equals to the new string, then array name, that is the c in bracket. So in this way our string array object will be created. So if we use this new keyword to store the string object, then the two objects will be created. First object in the heap memory and second in the string constant pool. Here two objects will be created. So next way is without using the new keyword. That is, string s equals to the in double quoted comma. So this is our second way. So in this way, our object will be stored in the string constant pool. One object will be created, and that is stored in the string constant pool. Now, string constant pool. String constant pool means this is the special memory location that is used to store the literals, and it is also called as a string literal pool, because if we use this string constant pool to store the literals. So this is all about the two ways to create the string object. And string objects, as we see that string object length is fixed, and it is only create the immutable object. Means once we define, we can't change. This is all about our string class. Now we'll see the other two classes, that is the string buffer and string builder class. So first we'll see what is the string buffer. So before string buffer class, what is the buffer? Is the this buffer is nothing. It is used to store the temporarily data that is going to change. Okay, means this is nothing but they used to store the only temporary. And now we'll see the string buffer class. So the string buffer class is used to store the mutable objects. Okay, mutable means we can change here our objects, we can modify our objects, we can add, or we can delete, or we can update our string characters. So that's why it is called as a mutable object. By using our string buffer class, we can create the mutable objects. Means whenever we want the string in a changeable forms, means whenever we want the string or we want to change the string, then by using this string buffer class we can change that. So now what this mutable object does? So this mutable objects creates only one thread. Means only one thread will be created by using using string buffer class. And if we use this string buffer class, then we can't store the two threads simultaneously. That's why this string buffer class is synchronized, and that is it provides the security safe. Okay, but this is the disadvantage of the string buffer class, because of this thread safe security property. The thread safe security property, it provides a slow performance. That as compared to string builder class, string buffer class has the slow performance. Next point in the string buffer class is, if we are changing or modifying our string or adding some substring into our string, then it will store into the new string. Okay, then new string will create it. Next point is, we can also convert our string into the other string by using the toString method. So this is all about the string buffer class. In short, this string buffer class is used to create the flexible length. In string, the length is fixed. Okay, we change the length, but if we use this string buffer class, we can also modify our string. We can add a substring into our string, and if we want to add the string at the end of our original string, then we can also do that by using this string buffer class. Now next point our next class is the string builder class. So our string builder class is same as of the string buffer class, but this string builder class is used to create the mutable object, but it is not used to create the it is not a synchronized, because we can create here multiple threads. Okay, by accessing the method. So that's why it is not a synchronized. And we can also create here multiple strings, multiple number of strings, instead of using the one by one string. Okay, so this string builder class is used to store the number of strings simultaneously. So this is the advantage of the using string builder class. And as compared to string buffer class, the performance of string builder class is fast, because it is not a synchronized. It does not have a property of thread safe. That's why this is a safer. This provide a faster performance than the string buffer class. And string builder class is also string buffer class can't store the two threads simultaneously, but in string builder class we can store multiple threads simultaneously. So in string builder class we can store, we can also append the string, we can also change the string, we can also add the substring into this string. So this is all about the string builder class. So there are also different methods of string builder class. That is by using methods we can do the modification in the string, and also a delete method, then replace method, reverse method. We can also reverse our string. Next is the toString. We can convert into the new string. Next one is the length. We can also change the length of the string, and we'll also get the length of a string by using the length. Next one is the replace. We can also replace our original. So this is all about the string builder class. And There are this is some differences between the string buffer and string builder class. In short, string builder is used to store the multiple threads simultaneously, and that's why it is not a synchronized. And string buffer class is a synchronized, just because the thread safe security property, and in thread set security property in the buffer class we can only store the two threads at a time. Sorry, only one single thread at a time. So that's why it is a synchronized. So this is the difference between the string buffer and builder class. And the most important point is string builder class is provide the efficiency because of the, and we can store the multiple threads simultaneously by using the string builder class. So this is all about the three classes of the string, that is string builder and string buffer. Thank you so much.